Hey, we're working on this 986 Boxster, and while I got the dash out doing the black foam fix on it, um, I have the ignition switch out because we're going to change it. Just wanted to show you the new one on the right versus the old one on the left, which looks pretty crusty. And then as you can see, here's the ignition switch, and here's the plug that's going to plug in. It only goes one way, which is nice. Then you've got back here, you can see, there we go, right back here, right at the very end of this here, we can see the connection here. Let me see if I can really zoom in on it. There you go. Get it focused. All right, but yeah, right there, right in these two ears is where the ignition switch bolts on. The electrical portion bolts on. And you can do this with everything in the car, no problem. But this just kind of gives you a good visual. Very cool. Very cool. More to come on this 986 Porsche Boxster.